How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 72 Nova SS done in Hugger Orange. Super nice paint on the car, real slick. It's got steel cowl hood. The grill and grill moldings are all in excellent condition. Front bumper has been re-chromed. Car's real straight down the sides. All the side trims in really good condition. It says 15-inch American racing wheels. All the panel fitment's real nice on this car. It's a clean, solid body. Got new tail lights and housings. Tail panel moldings new. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's got all tinted glass. It's factory softray tint. It's got a GM crate 502 horse in it. All MSD ignition. It's got vintage AC and heat. Power disc brakes, power steering. Aluminum radiator. All nicely detailed under the hood. It's got ceramic coated hooker headers into 2.5-inch dual Flowmasters out the back. Stock location. It's got 400 turbo trans with a gear vendor's overdrive unit. See, it's got original door panels in it in really good condition. Original dash. Headliner's been replaced, nice and tight. Rear seats also been reupholstered. It's got rear tilt steering, factory SS wheel. They did a nice set of pro seats in it, reclining. Very comfortable. All the jams are real nice in the car. It's got a 10-bolt posi rear, 342 gear. All inside the trunk looks real good. Got AM FM CD stereo in it. You see the vintage AC controls and your trio of autometer gauges. The overdrive control module there. Got a nice set of speaker boxes made there. Tell you, the seats are very comfortable in this car. Again, it's a GM crate 502. That's a good looking car. Backup lights, everything on it works. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.